I move to approve Amendment 1 to CR 169-2025. Amendment 1 fails for failing to have a second. CR 169-2025 has been moved and seconded. Is there any discussion? I will note that I, in response to constituent concerns, did posit Amendment 1, which would require maintenance and functionality requirements at the parking location. Those of you who have EV charging stations in your own districts may notice that they don't seem to be consistently working. And so this was our effort to ensure that in exchange for a loss of parking available to everyone, we actually had charging stations that worked. But yeah, okay. Mrs. Harrod, would you please call the vote on CR 169-2025?
Chair Walsh.
I'm going to vote yes, notwithstanding my colleagues' reluctance to even discuss Amendment 1. I know that the explanation given to us by BGE, and it will be in the bill file, we received it today, was that they couldn't be responsible for maintenance. That's not at all what they told us in work session. BGE is responsible for maintenance and upkeep of those, and notwithstanding whatever their program may be, I will certainly be following up, and I'm certainly that I will be getting the calls if those units don't work as promised. But my vote is nonetheless yes.
Dr. Jones.
Yes.
Ms. Young.
My vote is also yes, and reading from the BGE letter, they actually said that if Amendment 1 to CR 169 passes, BGE will be unable to move forward with the project due to the language proposed, which would potentially subject BGE to penalties for situations outside its control. BGE is sensitive to the intent of the language in the amendment, but assures the council that oversight is already provided by PSC, Public Service Commission. So I am voting yes, and that is, and did not move on the amendment, primarily because of this letter that we received from BGE.
Ms. Rigby.
I might be one of the lone EV drivers on this council, but my vote is yes. I look forward to charging stations at the Elkridge Library.
Mr. Youngman.
Yes.
CR 169-2025 passes.